In a remote hilly area of northern rural Bhiwandi in the Thane district of Maharashtra lies a small native village named Chimbipada, where its native folk are mostly small farmers, daily wage earners, shopkeepers, and so on. In 2021-22, at this village Chimbipada, with the support of local education officials and the Rotary Club of Bombay Pier, the Learning Space Foundation was able to transform a dilapidated classroom structure into an innovative, sustainable educational center for the benefit of school students, youth, and women folk of the village and its neighborhood. After inaugurating the center on July 9, 2022, this center offers multiple learning opportunities of hands-on experiential education to school students of all age groups, acquainting them with basic computers and running many exposure and interaction programs with participation from urban school learners. The center has also enabled trained local educated youth to offer their best skills in educating their younger generation, and in this way earn a livelihood by supporting their own communities.
ही माझी मुलगी आर्या दिनेश राऊत ही आपल्या आश्रमशाळेमध्ये 10वी इयत्तेमध्ये शिकते आणि चिंबीपाडा गावामध्ये ईसीजी सेंटर झालंय तिथे ती नियमित शिक्षणासाठी जाते. इथे आसपास जवळपास कुठेच शिकवणी म्हणून नाहीये. इथून 8 ते 12 किलोमीटर आम्हाला जावं लागतं. महागाईच्या जमान्यामध्ये प्रत्येकालाच काय परवडण्यासारखं ते नसतं, पण आता विनामूल्य असं शिक्षण या ईसीडी सेंटर मधून ते शिकवतात. 1ही रुपया न घेता शिक्षण ते मुलांना देतात. त्याचा आम्हाला पालकांना आणि मुलांना पण खूप फायदा झालेला आहे.
You can offer your volunteering time, run innovative skill building sessions, and donate to meet with expenses of running the center and support the village communities and their children to be part of the mainstream and to live a life of dignity and prosperity. Come, join us in fulfilling their dream.